Hey guys, Adam coming at you from Pell's Farm Service again in beautiful Fremont, Michigan. Today, we're behind the old red barn milking parlor here, and we're going to show you how to do the Swift Hatch loader on the BX series tractor. Let's take a peek. So what I'm going to do is raise the loader up, and we're going to let the stand down. We're going to set the bucket back down. We want to have a little degree here. We're going to tilt our bucket. We're going to get our front wheels just off the ground a little bit. There's one lever on each side of the tractor. Now we're going to curl our bucket back in to release the tractor. We're going to back up just a little bit. You want to make sure you don't overstretch your hydraulic hoses. Go ahead and set the parking brake. Make sure your steering wheel's up. And then to take it back off, pull the red pin. Lever up again, like to keep my hand back there, set it right in. Now we're free. We want to make sure we're driving in pretty straight, make sure you're not hitting anything with the grill guard on there. And we're going to get about right to this point to hook our levers back up. Alright, so now we're going to take our Swift Detach with all our hydraulic hoses on and set it back in. I like to keep my hand behind there just so I don't bump the hood on my tractor. Push it in, lock it down. Now we're going to drive into our loader here. Nice and easy. Until we get a little bump, we're going to go ahead and curl our bucket. You want to make sure them bottom pins fall in there. And we want to go until we get just a little bit of lift off the ground. Then we can raise it up. Now the nice part about this is when we curl that bucket, it's going to curl our kickstand back in. Lock it in, and we are off to the races. We'll catch you on the next time.